That's it. Lower chest and these delts. Lean forward. Lean forward as much as you can so you don't fall, but lean enough where you can still have control. And don't stay upright. This is for triceps mainly. Coming lower, head down, and pushing forward. You can tell it's almost like you're doing a bench press. Close to it, but it's reversed. Y'all get what I'm saying? So lean forward. Good. That way you don't feel a lot on your triceps. Feel a lot on that lower chest, some delts. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, high. Looking good. Looking good, y'all. Going for a good amount of time is good. Set 5 coming up. And don't forget, all the time I don't answer a lot of comments while I'm working out. I'll start doing more, but like I told you, these are real workouts. Focusing. I usually able to get with like maybe a moderator for them to respond to some of my comments, but that's how I want you to be when you're working out. Still work out with your friends, stuff like that. We focus on the task at hand. Can't even get your work in. You take work seriously most of the time, not have no distractions. It's the same thing as work. It's working on your life, working on your body, your temple. You only get one of these, man. Take it seriously. We got set 5. We got set 5. Let's roll again. Keep the pressure on. Minute breaths in between. Look good. Right into the dips. Look good. Looking good, man. Staying right on it. Five, 4, 3, 2, 5. Good. We're gonna set 6. Some water. Put in the comments, y'all drink water when y'all work out? Some people don't. Everybody's different. Hit a like for me, man. Really rock with me. Donate a coffee, man. But good, we got 30 seconds. See what y'all talk about. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate the likes, man. Y'all here right now, man, hit a like for me, man. Looking good, looking good. Got 10 more seconds.